Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori II class. Students, this is your Paramount the Radiant Way book. Now kids, open book page number 14. Today we will revise yesterday's homework. Now read with me. Mother has a road for pet. Mother has a road for pet. Thank you mother for the road. Thank you mother for the road. Pet show the road to N. Pet show the road to N. Mother has not a road for N. Mother has not a road for N. Now read today's lesson with me. Mother has a pet for N. Mother has a pet for N. Thank you, mother, for the pet. Thank you, mother, for the pet. N will show the pet to pet. N will show the pet to pet. Now students, it's your turn. Read and write book page number 14 on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.